welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be reacting to
Esquire Chats with SB19.
Kasi ngayon po, we're independent artists na po. So, we have our own
very
company
fashionable.
na. So, from before siguro po, syempre, nagsastart pa lang kami. We take so much ideas and parang medyo mas controlled po kami before. So, ngayon po, talagang fino-full out namin, nilalabas namin yung individuality and creative juices namin as an individual din po, as SB19 and as solos po. Tapos, ayun po, talagang mas controlled namin yung mga output po namin from before na we're still learning.
Parang ang hirap po sagutin kasi talaga sa totoo lang po, memorable na
Pablo does his hair? He has longer hair, no?
naman lahat ng subs namin. Kasi nga, hindi naman every time nakakapunta kami sa ibang bansa para i-meet yung mga fans namin. Pero if I'm to pick one, siguro po yung Toronto stop namin. Hindi pa po yung mismong concert. Meron po kaming moment na lumabas kami ng venue para lang magpahangin, magbastan yung mga paligid. Tapos may nakasalubong po kaming nanay. Tapos, pagbaba niya po ng car, tumakbo siya papunta sa amin.
That must be cool, you know, getting recognized in like such a big country as Canada. For them to get recognized, that's really
That's
cool.
cool.
Tapos nagsisisigaw siya, SB19, SB19! Na parang almost hysterical na ata po yung ganun moment. Pero nakakatuwa lang po kasi kahit na anong edad, matanda, bata, parang na sinusuportahan pa rin po kami. And nakakatuwa lang na naaalala nila yung mga apo, yung mga anak nila sa amin. So, yun po yung memorable.
Oh wow, so I guess they've seen them through like their children, grandchildren. Why that's how they know the group. That's pretty cool.
We've been preparing for it our entire life siguro our entire life. Siguro po ever since na sinimulan po namin yung journey na to, yung mga ganong stages po talaga yung nilook forward namin. And for us, parang siguro mas physical and siguro yung paano namin binuo during those times kasi marami kami problema. In terms of siguro mentally prepare, parang mas gigil po kami sumampa sa stage during that time. So parang matagal na po namin talaga inaantay yung mga ganong klaseng opportunities. And we're very glad na isa po kami sa na-invitahan.
Yeah, honestly, I'm surprised. A, they haven't performed before, and B, why it's called Asia Awards. Why is only K-pop there? That's still not so like shocking to me. I hope this year, like in the Mama
I think so. For sure.
and all, I hope there should be
Yeah,
SB19. There should be Beanie. Beanie had like a great breakout year. From Japan, somebody be first. You know, I don't know. Come on.
Nabigyan pa po ng award.
They did. They had some good collaborations.
Collabs po, marami. Maraming kaming gustong mga collab na local artists and of course, international artists. Kung mabibigyan po ng chance, talagang super grateful and thankful kami. Kasi sa tingin po namin right now, SB19, kasi parang sa dami na po ng mga songs din na na-release, nagawa ni SB19. Parang I think it will be a good record then for us to collaborate with other artists then, just to show our other skills pa ng SB19. Masasabi natin other side ng SB19 kasi
Yeah, because Kalakal with Glock 9, very much other side of SB19. That's not quite the have we seen before, so for sure.
mahirap din for us to be to be always confident sa kung ano yung ginagawa namin palagi, and for us to show and to showcase different sound naman with different artists. It's something na, and excited din yung fans na makita from us. So, local and international, marami po. Sana.
Mas masasabi po namin na mas pressure kami sa future ng P-pop. Parang ganun. Kasi ever since naman po, yung talagang gusto namin, lumaki yung community and mas marami pang opportunities mabigay sa ibang artists. For us talaga, hindi po kami ganun ka-pressured as SB19. Parang the greater good yung mas nakaka-pressure po Kasi we've been doing this non-stop. Talaga medyo, kung makikita nyo nga po, paulit-ulit yung ibang question sa amin. Pero pare-pareho po namin na sinasabi na talagang may goal po kami for the OPM and P-pop itself. So yun po siguro yung pressure na masasabi namin. And we're very glad na ngayon po parang mas maliwanag na and mas marami pong nabibigyan talaga din ng siguro spotlight. Not just syempre SPN.
They're mentioning Benny too. Yeah, Benny's big, man.
Si Bini, parang dumadami na rin po yung nagkakaroon para iba. And in the future, mas marami pa po and mas madali po siguro mas mababilis
That's so
namin
kind of
ma-reach yung
them.
goal.
Because usually when you're the only group or the only person being recognized, you want all the shine on you and all the focus on you. You don't want to really give that to your competitors, you know?
Nang sama-sama.
Siguro po, isa po kasi sa pinakamahalaga yung maipakita mo na yung authentic self mo and yung relatability. Siyempre parang ako po, parang kasi makakita akong stranger. Parang ang hirap lapitan kapag wala kang familiar na bagay na ipapakita. And yung way po namin nakikipag-usap sa mga fans namin, sa mga supporters namin, it's the same way kung paano namin kinakausap yung mga kaibigan namin, yung mga family namin. And siguro po, nakitaan nila ng talagang sincerity yung mga ginagawa namin. Kaya naman, mas tumindi yung pagsuporta po nila sa amin. Pero yun po, authenticity, authentic self.
To be honest po, at nung nagsisimula po, parang it's quite hard to explain sa family namin, sa parents namin, yung situation namin na we know we want to be, kasi syempre sila po gusto lang nila maging mabait, gusto maging supportive, and they are also very thankful sa fans. And siguro po, syempre sa amin, minsan, hindi nila nakikita, pero nakikita namin. And for us, parang nagkakaroon nung, yun nga po, yung boundaries na nag-step na over the boundaries or yung privacy namin minsan talagang nawawala na. Especially din po when siguro yung importance din ng mga bagay na hindi na dapat i-disclose, minsan na-share nila. Syempre po kasi parang they're very nice din. Kumbaga, they don't want to be rude din sa mga fans. So, yun po, siguro sa amin talagang tinatry namin i-explain, and until now talagang nag-explain pa rin kami sa parents namin na alam natin na gusto nating maging mabait, gusto nating magbalik, but we have to be safe, or we have to protect something din, yung image, yung kung ano ginagawa natin sa bahay, sa buhay, yung mga projects namin, minsan baka nasuspoil na, ganyan. Yeah, safety din po, syempre yung address namin, kung ano, kasi although we know, we trust our fans, syempre po, we don't know.
Yeah, have you seen some crazy K-pop sayings? Like there's some crazy fans. Yeah, that shit is no joke.
Kung ano ba talaga, kasi ang daming tao, malawak yung mundo. So, parang anytime, baka kung ano yung mangyari, hindi natin alam. So, ayun po, slowly naman, naiintindihan na rin ng parents. And siguro yun po, nai-enjoy lang din talaga nila na meron silang bagong nakikilala, and nafe-feel nilang nakakapagbalik sila sa fans.
I wonder what is SB19 up to now as a group, because so far what we've been seeing lately is everybody drops individuals. So Pablo just dropped like a lyric video, like 6 lyric videos today, so maybe he dropped like an album or something too, I don't know. But like, yeah, everybody dropping albums, stuff they're all individually, but I wonder what they're doing as a group, you know?
Guys, of course, let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Discord. And Zories, share as much kindness as possible.